8th standard. We are continuing with the sets now. The last exercise of sets we were doing, question number 6. In that universal set, that is factors of 144. The factors I have taken, and similarly factors of 24, 36 and 48. Maybe in between, by mistake I have left any number, so you can add up. I'll tell you the method how we do. Now what is A complement, A dash? We did earlier also. A complement or A dash means leave the elements of A from universal set. From universal set we leave these elements and then we get A dash. Then similarly B dash is from the universal set we remove these elements of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 like that. We remove and whatever is left, that is your B dash. Similarly for C dash, from this all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, 6, 8, 12 we leave, so 9 is left, 24 is not there, 48 is not there. So remaining 9, 36, 72, 144, that is C dash. Now coming to A union B means A and B together you have to write. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36. That is your A union B means combine A and B without repetition. There is no repetition in the set. Then A union C. A and C we have to combine. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. A and C when we combine 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 6, 8, 12, 24 and 48. A and C we are going to combine. Okay. Then after that is A intersection B dash. A is here and B dash is here. Intersection means common elements in these. Common elements in A and B dash. That is we do not have any element common. So that is empty set. Then we have B intersection C dash. B with C dash. Any element common? Yes, 9 and 36 are the elements here, 9 and 36. Then comes your C minus A. From C, you have to subtract A. That means we leave the elements of A from there. From C, we leave the elements of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. We subtract A from it. So we are left with only 48. From C, we are subtracting complete A. From C, when we remove A, that is your C minus A. B intersection C. Now B intersection C, what is it? Common in B and C. Common in B and C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. That's all. This is B intersection C. Now we have A minus B intersection C. From A, we have to remove B intersection C. So from this A, we are going to remove this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So we are left with 8 and 24. Hope it's clear to you. Now proceeding further. 8th question. 7th is similar. From this question only 7th parts they are asking, so that you have to do your own self. Now coming to 8th question. A, B and C is given. They say verify, are these two equal? Let's find out B union C. B union C means combine B and C. A, C, E, G. First I write B, then C, B. From set C, B element, E already is there, F and G already is there. No repetition. So B and C we combine to get these elements. Now C union B. C and B, it's one and the same. C and B sets we have to unite, so it will be the same. A, C, E, G, B, F, because one and the same, either this union this or this union this. Similarly, intersection of B union C in B and C intersection B, one and the same. B and C, they have common elements E and G. And yes, they are both equal. Then the third part is B union C we have to calculate first. B and C. B union C we already calculated. That is A, C, E, G, B, F. Then A union B union C. That means these two again we have to find the union. A and B union C. A is A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. And here A, B, C, E, G and F. Now then we have A union B after this. A union B, A and B we have to unite, that is A, B, C, D, E and G. A, B, C, D and G. This is A union B. A union B union C now. This we have to unite with this. So first I write this set complete. D, E, G. This I have to unite with C. Now let's check. B is already there. E is already there. F is not there. So F I add. Now then they say check whether these two are equal or not. That is your question. Are these two equal? Yes, these two are equal. Now further, fifth part. B intersection C. B intersection C, common elements in B and C, that is E and G. We have already calculated this also, B intersection C. Now A union B intersection C. That means A we have to unite with this set. First I write A set complete, and this union E is already there, G will be coming further. So this is A union B intersection C. B intersection C is EG. This I have to unite with A. So all the elements of both the sets we have written. Now A union B and A union C. First I write A union B. A union B we have already written here. So I am taking up from here only. A union B, that is A, B, C, D, E, G. Okay. So that is your A union B. Then after that they say A union C. A and C we have to unite. I think no, we have not calculated. A union C. Let's find out the union. That is A, B, C, D, E, B, E, F, G. So F and G. Now intersection of these A, B, C, D, E and G. This is the intersection. Now they say, are these two equal? Yes, they are equal. So that completes with your 8th question. Now next 9th question. We have universal set given, A is given, B is given. Now what is A intersection B? Common between A and B, that is D and E. Now they say A intersection B dash. A intersection B we got D and E, right? A intersection B dash means remove these elements from universal set. D and E we remove, so we are left with B, C, F, G. That is A intersection B complement. Now A dash. A dash means remove A from universal set. B, C, D, E we remove. So we are left with F and G. Similarly B dash. This B we have to remove from the universal set. D, E, F, G we remove. So we are left with B and C. A dash union B dash. We have to unite these two. So what we get? B, C, F and G. A union A. Now next you have to write the answers for this. A union A. Now see the same set, if you have to find the union with the same set, the set remains the same. It will be A only. If the same set, union with the same set, that gives you the same set. Now intersection, again the same. Like if I take two sets, A is ABC and its intersection with A only. So that will give you ABC itself. Now after this, A union empty set. A union empty set will again be A, because empty set do not have any element. A intersection empty set is empty set. Now common of this with empty set. So that is, nothing is common between these two. So that is empty set. Now A union B dash. A union B dash. Now see, suppose A is, let's take the elements here. A is 1, 2, 3 and B suppose is 3, 4, 5, 6, and your universal set, let us take 1, 2 till 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 8. A is this and B is this. Now they are asking A union B dash. Let's find out A union B. What is A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is A union B dash? A union B dash, actually this is De Morgan's formula also. A union B dash is A dash. Okay, I'll show you. A union B dash. The elements of A union B are this. Its complement means, leave these elements from the universal set. We are left with 7 and 8. A union B dash. Then is A dash. We calculate first. A dash is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaving the elements of A. Then B dash, it is, we leave 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 1, 2, 7, 8. Now what is A dash intersection B dash? A dash intersection B dash is 7 and 8. So A union B dash, that is equal to A dash intersection B dash, that is De Morgan's law also, and here I have proved and shown you also. A dash B dash, so this is the solution. Similarly, A intersection B dash. Now suppose we have to find A intersection B of these two. A intersection B dash. So first we find out A intersection B. A intersection B is only 3. A intersection B dash will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now what is A dash is this, B dash is this, right? Again I am taking A dash and B dash. What is its union? Its union is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A dash union B dash, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. So A intersection B dash, that is equal to this. Again this is De Morgan's law. So here we can substitute that it is A dash union B dash. When here it is union, here it's intersection. When here it's intersection, here it is union. Now 11th question. 2 parts I have done, 2 left for you. Now universal set A, B and C are given. We have to find first of all A minus B. That is, from A we subtract B. From A we are removing B. So 6, from A we are removing these elements. That is 4. Here we have 10, 12, 14 and 16. So 6 I remove, 9 is already not there. 12 I remove, 6 and 12 goes, then 15 is not there. So your elements are 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16, that is A minus B. Now B dash, leaving these elements from the universal set. 4, 5, 6 we do not have to write for B dash. So it is 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 we do not have to write, 13, 14, 16 and 17. So these are the elements of B dash, 4 to 17. Now what is A intersection B dash? So we have A here and B dash here. You can find their intersection. Both together A and B dash, common is 4, 8, 10, 14. 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. So that is your A intersection B dash. I think so. So check it. If some mistake is there, do not ask me that doubt. You can do it your own self. Now after this, B intersection C. Common between B and C. B is right. Common between B and C is 6, 9, 12 is not there, 15 is not there. So that is 6 and 9, B intersection C. Now A union this. A is this. First I write A complete. A is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. And its union with 6 and 9. 6 is already there. 9 we can add here. So this is A union B intersection C. Now A union B and A union C. A union B. So first I write all the elements of A. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. After that I add 9 and 15. So that is your A union B. Then A union C. Again, I write all the elements of A, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. All the elements of A are written. Then its union with C. So C is here. Let's check. Elements of C are 4, already there. 5 we can add up. 5, 6 is already there. Then 7 is not there. 7 we can add up. 8 is already there. 9 we can add. 10 is already there. 11 we can add. So this is your set A union C. Now they say intersection of these two sets. These two sets common elements, that is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 9. Okay, so these are your common elements. Now here, if any mistake is there in the any of the part, one number missing or something, change it your own self, look at the answer and do it. And secondly, your profit and loss, I am sending you the first 2 exercises. Those just write it down in your register by Wednesday. On Wednesday is your next class. So by Wednesday, write it down, everything of profit and loss in your notebook. And after that, we will be discussing in the next class on Wednesday. But the work should be written in your register. Thank you.